In this video, I'll show you how you can change your game mode in Minecraft without using commands. Now what you want to do is you want to create a world, and once you're doing that, either you have to choose creative mode up here, or if you choose survival, you need to allow commands. Now simply create the world, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do once it is done loading. Now once you're in the world and you make sure you have your commands on, if you still didn't do it and you want to do it on an existing world where you're in survival, what you can do is you can press open to LAN and allow commands on. Now once we've made sure that commands are on, what you want to do is hold down the F3 button and F4 on your keyboard. So hold down F3 and then press F4, and again you can choose between these. Now it's really simple, just make sure you keep holding down the F3, go F4 to change between, and then let go of the F3 button, and as you can see, I'm now in creative. Now I'm in survival, adventure, and that's how you can change it. Now it's super simple, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.